Okay, pupils stand up. Good afternoon, pupils.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down, please. How are you, pupils?
I'm fine. I'm teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, pupils, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Today is what? Cloudy, yes? Okay, now let's start our lessons. Okay, now pupils, look at the board. What can you see in the board?
Place.
Place? Yes. Yes, it is a restaurant, museum, yes? And a playground, hotel, port. What is this all about is? It is a place, yes? Today's our new lesson is fun place. Now, today's our lesson objectives: write with support, short basic sentences with a therapeutic space between words, use imperative forms positive and negative to give short instructions on limited range of family topics, and make basic statements which provide personal information on a limited range of general topics. Okay? Now, let's start our lesson, and our new words is
Cinema.
Кинотеатр. Yes? Park. Next. Sports center. Yes, sport. Орталығы, yeah? Next is skating ring. Бұл бізде Yes, very good. And our next market. Repeat after me. Market. Бұл бізде No. Bazar. Okay, now let's practice our new words. Біз бүгінгі сюжеттерді кішкене қайталап жіберейік, иә? Now answer the questions. Where do you like going in your free time? Өздеріңіздің бос уақыттарыңызда қайда барасыздар, иә? Now let's begin. Okay. Айсиба, where do you like going in your free time? Now. Yes? Stand up. Yes?
My free time, I going is cinema.
Okay, very good. Next. Alihan, yes? Where do you will go in your free time, Alihan?
I like going the sports center.
Now, open your copybook and write in today's date. Today is the 4th of May. Write in new several class place. Write in your copybook. Now our next grammar is like, yeah? Because this grammatical term, яғни бізде бұл бізде like дегеніміз не? Ұнату, иә? Яғни бұнда біз like қолдануын үйренеміз. Яғни бізде бір жетістік ретінде біз ұнататын заттарды білдіруге қолданады, иә? Яғни like бізде қалай жасалынады? Так, бізде subject записым, иә? Like немесе like яғни үшінші жаққа қолданамыз, және де verb plus ing. For example, I like eating what? I like eating ice cream, yes? Okay, next. She what? She likes, yes? яғни бұнда бізде she likes бар. She likes reading a book. Не, оған ұнайды. Now, pupils, give me examples. Give me one example, please. Who wants? Мысалы кетсейші маған қарайды. Like, yes? Жанна?
I like riding a bike.
Riding a bike. Very good. Next. Yes, Ayana?
I like eat pizza.
I like eating. Don't forget ing. Yeah, ing жаңағы bitmeyimiz. Very good. Now pupils. Now our next task is where do they like going their free time. Look and make sentences. Working with cards. I give you cards and you must write it. What about doing Sanjar, like doing Sanjar, Jania, Karolaj, and the Bakhchan. Okay? Write it in your copybook. Write it in your copybook. What do they like it in their free time? Олардың бос уақытында олар не жақсы көреді? Сол туралы жазасыздар. For example, Sanjar. What Sanjar does like to do in their free time? What? Yes, қалай жазамыз? Sanjar.
Skating
in their free time. Yes, who wants to go to the board? Как так учиться биледі? Who wants? Yes?
Yes.
You. Speak quickly. Like we try going
Skating.
next. Айзиба. Skating, bring.
Jania likes his free time and cinema.
Yes, cinema, yes. Skating, bring. Айзиба, come here to the boat. Be quickly. Okay, now our next task is making a new dialogue. I give you a dialogue with picture. You must do work with Paris and complete this dialogue and return it. Okay? Так. Бірге отырамыз да осы қасымыздағы көршіміздерге мына диалогты бітіреміз де маған айтып береміз, оқып береміз. Түсінікті ғой? Okay? Let's start. Yes? Okay, are you ready, people? Okay, Жанна geldi. Бағдаулет. Бірге оқимыз.
What do you like to watch after theater?
Here. Yes?
I like to watch gymnastics.
Next. Ali. And you.
I like to go to the park. I like skating. Me too. I like the art. What do you like to play at the park? I like
Okay, now next. Saba. Ayanat, are you ready? Okay, Ayanat, from that you please.
I like to eat at a restaurant. Me too. What do you like to eat at a restaurant? I like to eat chicken.
Okay, good. Thank you. Sit down. Now, this was our next exercise, next class is working with poster with your groups. With your groups, yes? I give you posters and a picture. You make two class with Mira and tell us the story about you weekend, okay? Next, the groups. You are in the zoo. Next group, you are in the cinema, and the next group is in the park. Okay? Now, let's begin. Okay, people, are you ready? Which groups is ready? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now then, and then you groups, yes? Come here. Now, come to the blackboard. Come to the board.
At had 3 weekends we go to the cinema. Buy ticket. And popcorn. And these drinks. And we watch a movie.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Next group, Iziba. And Akhil, come here. Come here.
We go to the zoo, my family. There are Panya, Leon, Papa, and giraffe with fed animals.
Okay, very good, Iziba. Your groups is very good. Now, sit down. Next group is Ayanat and Fuan. Okay? Come here. To the board.
In the weekend, we go to park. We play ground.
And
we riding bike.
and that's all. You are playing maybe? Maybe playing basketball, volleyball, what?
We play basketball.
That's all? Okay, very good. Sit down. Now, pupils, evaluated our lesson. If you understand today's our lesson, drawing and you smiling, maybe writing about our lesson today, and put the figure our rainbow. егер сабақты түсінсек, онда смайлик немесе тағы өздеріңізге ұнайтын жест нелерді қойып, мында жабыстырамыз. Түсіндім дегенде. Қалай мен отырамыз, бағалаймыз. Now, okay, people, you are very good today. I am believe with you. I give you are 10. Ахлеб, you are 7. Janel, Ali, and Alihan, you are 9. Ayanat and Inkar, very good. Is 9 points. Yes. Okay. You contact, learn new vocabulary. Write in your diary. Write contact your new vocabulary. That's all. The lesson is over. Goodbye, pupils.
Goodbye.